Hello, my name is Manchas Kazaba, and I am the creator of the website pianokeyboardguide.com. Welcome to another piano lesson. In this lesson, you will learn how to identify all the keys of the piano. In other words, you will know what are the note names of each key, every key. Doesn't matter if your piano has 61 keys or 76 keys or 88 keys or 32 keys or 49 keys, I don't care. You will be able to identify every key. For example, if I play this, you will be able to tell me what note it is. Are you ready? Okay, when you look at a piano, what do you see? You see white keys and black keys. What's this all about? I will break it down for you. Let's start with the white keys. What are the names? First thing I want you to realize is the pattern of keys, specifically the black keys. 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. Aha! Do you notice this pattern? A pattern of 2 and 3 black keys. This is what we will use. Every key before a set of 2 black keys is C. 2 black keys, C. This one, by the way, is middle C. 2 black keys, C. I should have told you that the letters of the musical alphabet are A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That is it. There is no H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, or anything like that. So if you know where C is, I'm sure you know where D is. Just the one right after. C, then D. You know your alphabet, right? Then E, then F. Then after F, it's G. If you know your alphabet and this is C, what comes before C? It's B. What comes before B? A. Tell me if there's anything hard about that. Nothing hard about it. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. What's hard about that? Nothing. Another trick is the key that comes before a set of 3 black keys. It's F. We already saw that it's F, C, D, E, F. So if you're trying to figure out, oh my goodness, what key is that? Or what note is that? Realize that you have 3 black keys And the one before it is F. That's so easy. F before a set of 3 black keys. If you know where F is, where is G? F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. I'm having fun. D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, B. Oh my goodness, that is so easy. By the way, like the video. Like the video. Smash the like button, as they say. Type a comment, ask a question. Let's have fun here. Now, so you know all the white keys, right? I don't care how many keys you have. 32, 49, 61. I don't care. It's the same thing on any piano. C comes before 2 black keys. F comes before 3 black keys. C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C, and so on. The black keys now. With the black keys, there's a principle called sharps and flats. Aha! To keep it simple, let's just say the black keys can be sharp and they can be flat. That may be confusing for some people. How come the black keys can have 2 note names? Oh my goodness. It's not hard. The key to the right of a key, of a white key, we'll call it a sharp. So this is C, and this is C sharp. It's to the right of C, so we'll call it C sharp. Not as hard as you thought. This is D, right? This one is to the right. I will call it D sharp. Oh yes, this is F. And this gentleman right here, or is it a lady? It's F sharp. This is G. And this young boy to the right is G sharp. It's not really a boy, but this is A. And this friend to the right is A sharp. What's hard about that? C, C sharp, D, D sharp, F, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp, C, C sharp, D, D sharp, F sharp, G, G sharp, A sharp. Oh my goodness. F sharp, G sharp, A sharp. Wow. I'm sure you're thinking, this is so easy. Yes. We already know the names of all the keys. As easy as that. But there's one more thing, which is the flats. Remember we said it could be sharp and it could be flat too. It depends on what direction we're moving, and we will learn the flats right now. The key to the left of a key, we will call it a flat. D, right? We saw that this is D, right? Remember? This is D flat. This is E. This is E flat. This is G. This is G flat. This is A. This is A flat. So easy. This is B. And this is B flat. You must be saying, how is this so easy? Yes, it is. D, D flat, E, E flat, G, G flat, A flat, B, B flat. B, B flat, A flat, G, G flat, E flat, D flat. Oh wow, So easy. So this is D flat and this is C sharp, right? This is D sharp and this is E flat, right? We said they have two names. This is F sharp and this is G flat. This is G sharp and this is A flat. This is A sharp and this is B flat. This is C sharp and this is E flat. This is D sharp and this is E flat. This is F sharp and this is G sharp. G flat, G flat. I'm making mistakes. Well, just one mistake. But I did this to see if you're following. This is F sharp and this is G flat. This is G sharp and this is A flat. You see how easy? You see how easy it is? All you have to know is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 notes. And that's all. 12 keys. It's the same 12 keys repeating over and over. Yes. So, C, C sharp and D flat. D, D sharp and E flat. E, F, F sharp and G flat. G, G sharp and A flat. A sharp and B flat. B and C. That is it. You now know how to label all the keys of the piano keyboard. Share this video with somebody. Like, comment. My name is Manchus Kazaba. One love, God bless, and all the best. To take your piano playing to the next level, check out my books at Amazon.com or my courses at Udemy.com. Search for my name, Manchus Kazaba.